Transform your Substack About page from static text to a dynamic visual introduction by embedding your videos directly. First things first, log into your Substack account and navigate to your dashboard from there. Locate and click on the Settings option, usually found in the sidebar menu. Within your settings, find the Publication Details section. You'll see an edit option for your About page. Click on that to begin customizing. Now, you're in the About page editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to decide where you want your video to appear. Think about telling your story visually before or after your written introduction. Look for the toolbar at the top or within the editor. It usually has a plus or insert icon. Click on this to reveal a menu of content options. From the list of content types, select the Video option. Substack makes it easy to integrate video content directly into your page. You'll now be prompted to paste the URL of your video. This guide assumes you've already uploaded your video to a platform like YouTube or Vimeo. Simply copy the direct link to your video. Head over to your video hosting platform, copy the video's URL from the browser's address bar, and then paste it into this field in your Substack editor. Ensure you're pasting the correct, shareable link. Once you've pasted the URL, Substack will often show you a preview of your video directly in the editor. This allows you to see how it will look and ensure it's embedded correctly. Before moving on, always remember to save your changes. Click on the Update or Save button, which is usually located at the bottom or top of the editor, to apply your new video to your About page. And there you have it. Your About page now features a professionally embedded video, ready to engage and inform your readers about who you are and what your Substack is all about. Go forth and tell your story visually.